In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads account perfect for beginners just starting out. So, whether you're a small business wanting to reach more customers or an individual looking to promote your project, this guide will get you on the right track. Let's dive in. First off, we want to navigate to Google Ads. You can either type Google Ads into your search bar and click on the correct search result to reach the site, or simply go directly to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a prominent option that says Get Started with Google Ads. Give that a click and you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you should notice a button that says Start Now. Go ahead and click this to initiate the process of setting up your account. This will take you to the Google sign-in page. Here, you'll need to log in with the email address you wish to associate with your Google Ads account. This email will be the cornerstone of your management and communication within Google Ads, so choose wisely if you have multiple accounts to consider. After entering your email, click the Next button to move forward. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you've entered it, click Next to continue. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads dashboard. Congratulations, you're almost done with setting up your account. The dashboard is your control center, where you'll manage all your campaigns and have access to various tools and options. Now that you're in, it's time to create your first campaign. Look for the option that says Create your first campaign in a few simple steps, and click on it. Google has made the campaign setup relatively intuitive, guiding you through the process where you'll define your goals, choose your target audience, and select keywords that will trigger your ads. Remember, clear objectives and well-targeted keywords are the keys to effective advertising, so take your time to plan and input the most relevant ones. The dashboard might look overwhelming at first, with its numerous charts and options, but don't worry. With a little exploration and experimentation, you'll become familiar with what's available. If you ever feel stuck, remember that Google offers plenty of resources and tutorials to help guide you. That's it. You've set up your Google Ads account and are ready to create impactful campaigns. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Don't forget to play around with different settings to maximize your results, and keep checking your campaign's performance over time to make necessary adjustments. Happy advertising!